Hello everyone, welcome back to Shantini's Diary. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I am going to take you to Bishnupur and show you around Bishnupur Tourist Lodge. I'll tell you how you can book this hotel, how you can reach this hotel in Bishnupur. I'll give you a complete hotel tour, room tour, and also tell you the pros and cons of this lodge. In this video, you will get all the necessary details to book Bishnupur Tourist Lodge along with the price. So let's go. The location of Bishnupur Tourist Lodge is just near Rashmoncho, and this hotel is undertaken by West Bengal government. So in order to book Bishnupur Tourist Lodge, you have to visit the website of West Bengal Tourism, and from there you can book this lodge. The location of the lodge is very convenient, and any toto or any auto from Bishnupur station will take you to Bishnupur Tourist Lodge. And just as you enter, you are welcomed by the famous Bishnupur horse. Bishnupur is famous for burnt clay pottery, and among that, the Bishnupurer Ghora is most famous. This is the beautiful Bishnupur Lodge complex. The complex is really big and it's really very beautiful. The building that you see here on the right hand side is the main building, but we'll be staying at the annex building. And on the left hand side is a beautiful lawn and also a small playground for children. Adults can also enjoy the swing at the Bishnupur Lodge. It's very hot and sunny now because it's around 10 am in the month of April, but in the evening this place is transformed into a beautiful, cool, windy lawn where you can enjoy. This lodge has been recently renovated, and after renovation it looks absolutely stunning and very beautiful. The rooms at the main building has been renovated. This is the annex building, and on the second floor we have our rooms booked. So let's go. We have taken the stairs to the second floor, and now we are walking through the corridor and we'll be reaching our room soon. Our room number is 205. The cost for this room per night without GST is 1900 rupees. While booking we paid 1900 rupees for each night, but GST we had to pay separately at the hotel. The room was pretty decent considering the place is Bishnupur. So you have two chairs, a pretty good sized bed. The lighting of the room was also adequate. So here you have the two beds. These are two separate beds and you can separate it if you want. The AC was fine and working. And here you have a wardrobe where you can keep your things, and also a big mirror in front. This is the washroom. The washroom was also pretty decent and quite a big one compared to the room. Also you will get hot and cold water 24 hours. The room was really nice and cozy, but we were doubtful whether it was sanitized or not. So the first thing we did was sanitize the bed and the pillows. Here you have tea, coffee and an electric kettle, but the tea coffee was not sufficient, and if you asked for a refill, they would not. And the best part of the room is this balcony, from where we could see the lawn and also the main building. We enjoyed our morning tea and evening coffee sitting at the balcony and enjoying the view. You'll really enjoy sitting at this balcony. So without GST the room cost per night was 1900, but with GST it costed us around 2100 per night, and we stayed here for 2 nights. After showing you the room, now we are heading towards lunch. So this is the lawn. You can either walk through inside the main building to the dining hall, or you can choose the lawn to walk across and then enter the main building through one of the corridors. This is the sitting area outside. You can also take a cup of tea or coffee and sit here and enjoy the cool breeze and the chirping of the birds. The place and the environment is really beautiful. If you are staying at the main building, then this is the corridor that you have to take to reach your room. But we are staying in the annex building and we are walking through the corridor to reach the dining hall. Along with the dining hall, you also have a separate bar, so in case you are in need of a bar, it's a separate arrangement. One important thing that I would like to mention here is that if you are reaching Bishnupur Tourist Lodge in the evening, then the dinner arrangement would be a bit difficult for you because they insist that you place your dinner order by 7:30 in the evening. So if you are checking in late, either you have to make your dinner arrangements on your own, or before you reach the hotel you have to call them and inform that you are going to check in and to keep your dinner ready. Okay, so while I was talking to you, I have reached the dinner hall and I have ordered one egg thali and the famous postur bora. The egg thali has rice, dal, fried potatoes, one curry and one egg and also chutney. And this is the famous Bishnupur postur bora or poppy seed fritters. If you are visiting Bishnupur Tourist Lodge, then you must try postur bora and it's really delicious. The food quality except the postur bora was average and the postur bora was superb. For dinner we had to place our order by 7:30 and the dinner was also average in quality and quantity. For some of the dishes I felt that it was a bit overpriced compared to the quality and the quantity that they served. There is also a water filter at the main building from where you can refill drinking water. The official check-in time at Bishnupur Tourist Lodge is 12 noon, but since we had reached early, we were given an early check-in, which was really kind of them. The overall stay at Bishnupur Tourist Lodge was really enjoyable and beautiful. If you are planning your next visit to Bishnupur and if you are looking forward to stay at Bishnupur Tourist Lodge, I am sure this video will come handy to you. In this video, I have tried to cover all the necessary information to book Bishnupur Tourist Lodge. But while you book, please check the latest price at the website of West Bengal Tourism. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Shantani's Diary. Also, don't forget to share this video with your near and dear ones who are planning their next trip to Bishnupur. And until we meet again, do take care and bye-bye.